I am worthy of success and abundance. Success is my birthright. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am confident in my abilities. I am grateful for all the opportunities that come my way. I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life. I am resilient and will overcome any obstacles in my path. I am constantly learning and growing. I am focused on my goals and am making progress every day. I am motivated to succeed and will not give up. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am surrounded by positivity and support. I am proud of my accomplishments and will continue to achieve more. I am a success magnet and attract success effortlessly. I am worthy of love and success. I am confident in my decisions and choices. I am living my best life and will continue to do so. I am living in abundance and prosperity. I am attracting all the right people and opportunities into my life. I am taking bold steps towards my dreams and goals. I am creating my own destiny and am in control of my life. I am filled with enthusiasm and passion for what I do. I am worthy of respect and admiration. I am achieving my goals with ease and grace. I am living a life of purpose and meaning. I am worthy of all the good things that come into my life. I am surrounded by supportive and encouraging people. I am always learning and growing, both personally and professionally. I am grateful for the opportunities that have helped me grow. I am constantly moving forward towards my goals. I am successful in all areas of my life. I am filled with positivity and optimism. I am attracting wealth and abundance into my life. I am worthy of achieving my dreams. I am deserving of success and happiness. I am confident in my abilities and talents. I am grateful for the challenges that have helped me grow. I am attracting positive energy into my life. I am surrounded by love and support. I am successful in all my endeavors. I am living a life of abundance and prosperity. I am attracting all the resources I need to achieve my goals. I am creating the life I have always dreamed of. I am constantly improving and evolving. I am taking action towards my goals every day. I am filled with positivity and gratitude. I am worthy of all the success and happiness in the world. I am attracting abundance and success into my life effortlessly. I am confident in my ability to overcome any challenges. I am living a life of purpose and meaning. I am proud of my achievements and successes. I am worthy of respect and admiration from others. I am constantly growing and learning new things. I am surrounded by positive energy and good vibes. I am successful in all areas of my life, including relationships, health, and wealth. I am taking inspired action towards my dreams and goals. I am attracting all the right opportunities and people into my life. I am living a life filled with joy, abundance, and prosperity. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals and dreams. I am worthy of all the good things that come into my life. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am constantly pushing myself towards greater levels of success and achievement. I am committed to my own growth and development. I am capable of overcoming any obstacles in my path. I am surrounded by abundance and prosperity. I am grateful for the lessons that challenges have taught me. I am confident in my ability to manifest my desires. I am attracting abundance and success into my life through positive energy. I am creating a life that aligns with my values and passions. I am worthy of receiving all the love and abundance that the universe has to offer. I am grateful for the opportunities that have helped me grow and develop. I am constantly expanding my knowledge and skills. I am focused on my goals and am making progress towards them every day. I am proud of my successes and accomplishments, no matter how big or small. I am surrounded by people who believe in and support me. I am living a life that is fulfilling and meaningful to me. I am attracting all the right people and resources into my life to help me achieve my goals. I am confident in my ability to create the life I want. I am grateful for the abundance and prosperity that surrounds me. I am committed to taking action towards my dreams and goals every day. I am constantly learning and growing from my experiences. I am worthy of all the success and happiness that life has to offer. I am attracting abundance and prosperity in all areas of my life. I am creating a life that is aligned with my purpose and passions. I am confident in my ability to overcome any challenges that come my way. I am grateful for the opportunities that have helped me become the person I am today. I am constantly taking steps towards my goals, no matter how small they may be. I am surrounded by love, joy, and positivity. I am successful in all areas of my life because I believe in myself and my abilities. I am creating a life that is full of abundance and prosperity in every aspect. I am grateful for all the blessings that life has to offer me. I am constantly growing and evolving into a better version of myself. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am confident in my ability to make my dreams a reality. I am grateful for the opportunities that present themselves to me. I am filled with positive energy and am ready to take on the day. I am worthy of all the success and abundance that comes my way. I am always learning and growing, improving myself each day. I am successful in every area of my life, including my career, relationships, and health. I am a magnet for success, attracting it effortlessly. I am worthy of receiving love, respect, and recognition from others. I am motivated and focused on achieving my goals. I am open to receiving help and support from others. I am confident in my ability to overcome any obstacles in my path. I am living my life with intention and purpose. I am attracting opportunities that align with my goals and values. I am constantly taking steps towards achieving my dreams. I am worthy of experiencing joy and happiness in my life. I am surrounded by positive energy and good vibes. I am capable of achieving more than I ever thought possible. I am grateful for the abundance and prosperity that surrounds me. I am filled with gratitude for all the blessings in my life. I am confident in my ability to handle any challenges that arise. I am successful in my work and am making a positive impact. I am attracting abundance and wealth into my life. I am worthy of achieving my goals and dreams. I am surrounded by people who support and encourage me. I am always growing and evolving into a better version of myself. I am confident in my ability to make wise decisions. I am worthy of respect and admiration from others. I am grateful for the lessons I learned from challenges. I am successful because I believe in myself and my abilities. I am constantly improving my skills and knowledge. I am taking inspired action towards my goals every day. I am attracting positive experiences and people into my life. I am grateful for the abundance and prosperity in my life. I am confident in my ability to manifest my desires. I am worthy of receiving love and abundance in my life. I am living my life with passion and purpose. I am successful because I never give up on my dreams. I am surrounded by positive and uplifting people. I am grateful for the support and encouragement from those around me. I am capable of achieving great things. I am confident in my ability to take risks and try new things. I am worthy of experiencing joy and happiness every day. I am grateful for all the opportunities that come my way. I am constantly learning and growing from my experiences. I am attracting success and abundance with every action I take. I am confident in my ability to handle any challenges that come my way. I am successful in everything I do because I believe in myself. I am surrounded by abundance and prosperity in every aspect of my life. I am creating a life that is aligned with my dreams and values.